cheeks flapped, and they flapped, and they flew through the air. Their wings were so tight. They were really the first floor.
You can do it, Parker. Get on the top and go hooray! Put your arms up, go hooray! Nice. Okay. Go! Run, Parker! Ooh, Kylie's doing pretty good. Catch up to mommy. You got her, Kylie. Go ahead, keep going. Keep going, huh?
Alright guys, is this the Easter Bunny? No. This is Fern. Everyone say hi, Fern. What is Fern? How about your rabbit? Does anyone know what kind of rabbit she is? That's true. That's very true. The size of your normal everyday rabbit. But here's the best thing about Fern. Fern is a small. That's right. She's actually small for her age, right? We have some rabbits that are also full-grown, just like Fern, and they are bigger than she is, just right over there in that enclosure. Make sure you see them as you go out. If you want to pet a Flemish giant rabbit like this little lady, you can go to the petting corral. They've got two in there for your baby pleasure. But oh my gosh! What other guesses?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Ram, goat, sheep, all good guesses. Anyone think it looks like a cow?
Pillow.
But it's probably right. Alright, it's between a goat and a sheep. Who